Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view and migrate MSG files to IMAP account. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS MSG Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format choose as per your requirement. First, go to the Open tab and select an MSG files option. After that, choose File and choose Folder to load MSG mailboxes in the software panel. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Now, the software is analyzing the MSG mailboxes. The tool lists all the MSG mailboxes in the software interface. Now, please tap on the email and get its preview in the software interface. This way you can preview the MSG email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If the email contains any attachment file, then right-click on it, and you will find options of Open, Save, and Save All. Choose the option as per your need. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. And Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. Select IMAP option from the Export option list. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing MSG emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of the IMAP account. Fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of MSG to IMAP account migration. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your IMAP account. You will see a folder named as Exported MSG Files. Tap on it and get the MSG emails with all properties.